Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the keybinds in Catmail Co. Let me start off by immediately saying that unfortunately there is no way to change the default keybinds, but I can show you how to find them. To find the default keybinds, simply open the settings menu, go to controls and scroll down. Under inputs there will be displayed the default keybinds for any action that you can perform in-game. As you can see, there is no amount of clicking on my mouse or my keyboard that can change those. If you don't have any way to change the keybinds externally outside of the game, you are basically stuck with the default ones. And I think that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.